Now let's see how we can color grade it. Is here you can see this footage here. Just click V on your keyboard and it will come to your timeline. Now we have this on our timeline, and anywhere you click it will move, you see, very easily. And from here maximize, you see, maximize, minimize timeline here, you see, from here this plus. Let's see how to color grade now. For color grading, for correction color, come here, you see here icon, this icon, change here, and now we have color here. If we are in the color page, same like DaVinci Resolve, and now just click here, search color. You see, now we have changed color, we have search color, and we have all the features for color correction here. You see, color and image correction. You see, there are several. I just want to introduce you how we can use color balance. And you see, there are lots of features here we can use for advanced class. Just we come here, and this you can see color balance. Just press left button of your mouse on this video and just drag it to our here. You can see here to our here on timeline on the footage. Now we are actually, you can see here RGB final here, and we can control here everything. Now just click here, and now you can see here we have everything. Just drag from here, you see here, from here plus minus, you can see here. You can just maximize, minimize everything from here. Everything you can customize in Kdenlive. I want to maximize here. You can see no. And now we want to use color grading here. You can see I take this point here, and I want to just select here. Now you can see here we have red shadow. Once you click here, and all the property will available here. From here you can see and control. And I want to add redness. See here, first I want to see this clip. Now you can see here, from here you can control. Or if you want to add red shadow here, change little bit, not too much, and try and see. It's according to, you see red, it's too much. I will add little bit. You can see little bit. Okay, it's okay, not too much. You can control delete from here, and you can add here directly numbers. Hello dear friend, if this Kdenlive tutorial is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Nowadays I am working hard. This year we have to achieve 1000 subscribers, dear friend, and I hope you will help me to achieve this, dear friend. Due to the algorithm of YouTube, most of our friends can't find this useful video on YouTube, dear friend, but you can make it possible just by writing a comment, liking the video, subscribing the channel, and sharing this useful video to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. Just favor me so that I can continue making contents about Kdenlive on YouTube for you. Without wasting time, let's jump into our next step of Kdenlive tutorial here. Very minute if you want to change. Green shadow, I want to add little bit because we need green shadow, little, not too much. It's okay. Minus 0.11 is okay for me. Blue shadow, you can see in this way you can change here. From here you can directly control. Red, mild, mid-tones, we can add, decrease and increase. You see, just how you want to add, which type of color you want to add to your clip. You see, it's distorting, it's decreasing redness. I want to make it neutral. This position is okay. Green milestone you can add like in this way. Okay, this is the okay for me. In the same way, blue mild mid-tone, you can see blue mid-tone, you can add little bit from here. Blue mid-tone, not too much. Okay, red highlights, from here you can change. See, so try our green highlights, blue highlight, all you can adjust from directly from here. Preview, you can see here preview before, this is the before and this is the after. Just click here, you see after, and this is the before and this is the after. Adding colors. So in this way you can color grade your footage. It's a very good. There are lots of setting. In the same way you can use here color contrast, color correct. If you, for example, I add color correct, drag this and add to footage. Now you can see these are our points here. You see, from here you can change points here. You can add cinematic effects to your clip. You see, very nicely you can add from here directly to your clip. Some parts of your clip you can add. You see, in this way you can add from here. So these are the actually setting. We will have advanced class, then we will see all saturation. You can add like this, you see saturation etc. So this is the for color correction. You can add all this and try, dear friend, all add to your clip and try take a footage, download any online footage from Pixel or Pixabay and use these all settings, and you will understand which type of class you want about color grading in Kdenlive. Write me, I will make a special tutorial for you.